This is a new era of threat. It demands a new era for defence. An era of hard power, strong allies, and assured diplomacy. And as the threat grows, Britain will step up, and we are.
The Chancellor. Sources say the policing ministry has privately in 150 years this month. The Plymouth Symphony Orchestra meets once a week to
You really focus on the music when you're there, and everything else just fades into the background. So it's a really good way to sort of relieve any stress from work.
and the weather.
Orchestra and brother to them. For us, it's the turn of Strauss, and he's got a bit batty.